What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. Yeah, I'm switching it up this year. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Just thought I'd hop on here and wish you guys a happy new year. 2021 is actually unexpected. This is the first video in 2021 that I am recording, so whoo-hoo. So, what is in store for this channel? Well, I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but I got a new little toy right there. Yeah, there's a big review coming up with the DJI Mavic Mini there. So since I recorded my last video to now, apparently my channel is exploding. I've gained over 300-ish, almost 400 new subscribers, so thank you guys so much. The support has been overwhelming, and I just checked my stats on YouTube here. One of my recent videos, what is the best landscape photography camera, just hit the 1,000 view mark. So I am super ecstatic about the traffic that this channel is gaining, all the support that you guys have been giving me. It's unbelievable. So thank you. So what's gonna happen here from this point on? Well, I'm gonna keep creating awesome videos like you've come to love on this channel. I'm gonna be doing some more reviews. We got some tips and tricks coming, some new hot, fresh off the press tips and tricks for you guys. Absolutely. Some more tutorials on Photoshop, Lightroom, all that good stuff. I'm pumped about 2021, and you guys should be too. So thought I'd just come on here quickly, give you a little bit of a channel update, and there's gonna be a lot of fire videos coming pretty soon here. So make sure you're here. Hit that subscribe button. Just smash it. Throw a hockey puck at it. Yeah, I'm still doing that because I'm Canadian. While you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It's been a while since I did that. I almost forgot my lines here. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Plus a whole bunch of other social media platforms. Links are in the description below. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here for now. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.